guys, what's up? So today we are gonna unbox a Beyblade, which is from Evolution, Beyblade Boost Evolution, Kinetic Satan, or Kreis Satan. Okay? So this Beyblade, it's a defense type and a right spin. So it is from Beyblade Boost Evolution, I said, and owner is Silas Carlisle. And yeah, and then we got a starter launcher, the Bay, and so here they're saying that. So here they're saying it has like rollers on the driver and the layer, which will actually prevent the Bay from big attacks. I have heard like that. So let's just get right into the unboxing. So let's go. So we got this. Open this up. So we got the starter ripcord. There you go. The starter ripcord. I mean, the ripcord is not that good because it has less. What do you call the teeth? It has less teeth than that. And then we got the instruction manual. Oh. Okay, so here we have the stickers. I'm gonna put the sticker afterwards. So in the instruction manual, it's saying that how do you use a Bay? How do you use a Beyblade? Everyone knows that, okay? So yeah, let's get into the Beyblade. Oh gosh. Look at that. So first we'll take out the starter launcher. Oh, so we got the starter launcher, which is good, but the ripcord is not. I mean, okay. Let's take out the driver. Wow, the driver is pretty good actually. It has these things which move. So like it'll just touch the ground. The special move of this Bay is roller drift. Let's take the disc. Okay, so we got the disc called 2, and I think the frame is glaive. I don't know. But it's not removing. But no problem, we'll move on to the... Okay, I don't want to damage the layer. Can you hear that? That's the rollers. The red rollers, which are pretty good. Oh wow. This is Kinetic Satan. So let's take the driver. So we can change the guard tube. I already have a drain fastener, so I can actually change the guard tube. So yes, let's go part by part. Why is this glaive not coming out? Okay, so the driver. Driver is I forgot what the name is. Yeah. So the driver. I don't know its name, but I think its name is I think I forgot it, but yeah. So it has the side rollers to actually prevent it. So, like when it goes over here, it just actually scrapes over here. It's like linear, I'm sure, with the I think it came in a 3 booster set with a launcher, the liner driver. So these rolling parts will be here for the liner driver. And we got the disc and frame together. I don't know how do you remove this. Okay, I'm going to do that afterwards, but the layer kinetic Satan, so it has these roller to actually prevent, and would you look at that? That is big for defense. So it has these 3 rollers, the red rollers, which actually prevent the Beyblade from actually hitting it. So for example, I have this, it'll just hit here and it'll actually just defense it. So that's a pretty cool grooming. Let's just test the teeth. So the teeth. Oh, that teeth is tight. The teeth is tight, so you guys can see the teeth. I don't know perfectly, but I don't know if you can see the teeth, but pretty good teeth actually, if I do see. Here we got this. So we got the Beyblade. So I think this is the first ever guard bay, and I think when it spins, oh, I can feel it, guys. I can feel the roller difference. Like for spinning it and by grabbing it. It's a pretty good. Oh, that heat is pretty good. Okay, guys. Oh, so that's the starter launcher for today. So next video we might be doing a battle. So bye. Take care. Goodbye.